Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So today I just had some sausages at hand and I was thinking as to what do I make with these sausages. I had some chicken sausages. So I just put them things together like jalapenos and other ingredients which you will see in the video and came out with a lovely tasty dish. So this could be had with some bread, it could be even had with some lovely rice. It's a very versatile recipe. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's lovely recipe. So let's start with today's lovely recipe of chicken sausages with jalapenos. So here I've just taken a pan to which I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now you don't need to heat up olive oil, so immediately I'm going to be adding 1 cup of finely chopped sausages. So I haven't cut them up too big or too small. And I'm going to fry this really well for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now these are plain chicken sausages. You could use any sausages of your choice, even the flavored ones. So we're going to fry this really well till it gets a little bit of a crisp on it. And then I'm going to take it out and set it aside. Now this is sausages. Now to the same oil or the olive oil, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of very finely chopped garlic. So I've taken about 4 large cloves of garlic and really diced them very fine. We're going to fry that just a bit in the oil. Now olive oil really goes well with this recipe, but you can use any other cooking oil that you generally do. And next I'm going to add 1 cup of very finely chopped onion. We're going to fry the onion a little bit. Just until it gets a little bit translucent. Oh, the flavors of onion and garlic is so amazing. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of very finely chopped capsicum or bell pepper. Mix that in well too. Get it a little bit sauteed or a little bit fried. Now you could go with colorful bell peppers too. You could add the red, the yellow. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of very finely chopped jalapenos. The jalapenos just elevate the taste of this dish. So fry everything really nicely together, let them all come together really well. And then I'm going to add a cup of my homemade pizza pasta sauce. I will leave a link below to my homemade pizza pasta sauce, which is super easy and really delicious because it's made with fresh tomatoes, no preservatives. And now just mix all of this really well together. Now this is a recipe that, when you don't want to do some elaborate cooking and you just have a few ingredients, you have sausages at home. I have a similar recipe for which I've made the similar type of recipe with salami. Now I'm going to flavor it with some mixed Italian herbs. A teaspoon of pepper powder. A little salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika, you can add any of the two. And now you're going to mix all of this really well together. And now you're going to add the fried sausages back in. Mix it in really well. And now we're going to fry this for about a minute or two.
And then I'm just going to cover it and cook it for about another 2 to 3 minutes till everything really cooks well together. And that's it, guys. Our lovely dish is all ready. So do give this a try.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.